Hello, this is Trish Hervé, and I want to show you how you can add materials to your Schoology. So you can add materials from the top, or you can put it where you'd like it, because anything you add from the top materials will go to the bottom. So we'll say we want it right under this weekly folder. So I'm going to go to the green arrow, click the plus sign, and we're going to add it as a file link external tool. And what this will do, the way I'm showing you how to do this is so that students can just click that and it opens right inside of Schoology so that they don't have to go to an external tab, a new browser tab or somewhere else or extra clicks. So this is to minimize clicks. So we're going to add that and we're going to choose a file and click on attach files. And I'm just going to attach this file and click open. And it's attaching it right here. Now, if you have the elementary experience on, you can change the icon or keep it as the default, your choice. And then you're going to click add. So now it looks like this, and it takes the name of the link, so you don't have to rename it. And when a student or when you click on it, it shows up right inside of the page. So we didn't have to go outside of Schoology in a new link. Students have the ability to download this document if they did want to download it outside of Schoology to look at it. They also have some other tools here, like changing the size of the document's font. They can also fit to width, and they can fit the height, and they can make it full screen and click full screen just to come back out again. So there are some tools here. If you wanted to pan, you can also select, there's a print button and download, as I said before. So this is how you can add materials very easily to inside of Schoology without making them an assignment or an external link. I hope you have a great day.